So today I'm going to be working on Raspberry Pi. It's a starter kit that I received from PiShop.us, and this is a Raspberry Pi 4, 2 gigabyte. And so what we're going to do is we're going to set it up today. So this is a little bit of an unboxing. You got your quick start guide. We have a micro or mini HDMI, no micro HDMI to HDMI cable. We'll need that. You got your standard, power adapter, USB-C. Got your case. You got the micro SD card with Raspbian loaded on it. This is the SD card reader. Some heat sinks for the board. And the actual computer itself. We're going to set this box aside. So open her up. And we have our board. Pull her out here so you can see it. Nice little board. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to put some heat sinks on it. Three of them. Well, look at the quick start guide for proper placement. But I believe I know where they go. Okay. So this first one, just gonna peel off the little blue sticker tape. I'm gonna put it on this little board right over here, this one. Okay. Then we're gonna put one on this chip right here. And finally, one on the one that's already got a factory heatsink on it, but we're going to expand it, make it even better. Here we go. Just kind of lay it right on top. And we're done with that. We'll open up the case. Put it on it. It's a nice little plastic case. On the top should open. It's on there really good. There we go. And it simply has little rubber parts. There should be some screws, I would think. I'm not seeing any screws though. Let's do a little quick start. Says nothing about screws. So there are no screws. So we're just going to simply slide this in here. And we'll line up the exterior ports here with the case, and so just do that, and then I'll slide it down and pop it into place. I'm still not understanding why there's no screws. Normally you screw these things down. What we gotta do is we gotta do the HDMI cords and power cord, line those up, get them slid in there, and then it just pops down in place, like so. So you just pop it right in place. And so when you do it right, it's in there, it will not move, it won't come out when you shake it. So I'm gonna put the little rubber mounts on here, rubber feet. And it does have the wall mount screw holes, so we can mount it to a wall or ceiling or anything for that matter. So there we go. We're going to go ahead and put our micro SD card in here. Check it right out. There she is. So we just slide it in to the outside here, and it is done. So we have it firmly planted in there, firmly here. I believe I can pop this out if I wanted to, but yes, by just pulling on the side, it pops right out. There's a little latch on this corner, but just to show it again, you want to line these up, the power cord, the two HDMI cords, and the sound 3.5 millimeter jack. And line that up and slide into the back of the case. Get those lined up, and then once they're all lined up, you just kind of pop it right into place, and that's it. So that is popped into place. Then we're going to just simply put the lid on it. I'll put it the right way so it's aligned, so you can put it around the ports in the front. And now it's popped into place. So we have our little black box, and that's all there is to it. Did not need any screws or screwdrivers, so it's ready to go. So that's that. So what we'll end up doing is you'll plug in your HDMI port, not HDMI, your USB-C in here, and your micro HDMI into this port right here, and you're good to go.